Hi everybody, I'm Scott Morris, founder and co-owner of Roshambo. You may or may not know of our company, but you will after this. Thanks for checking our trade show booth. If you don't remember anything else from this, remember this. You can't break them. Bend, flex, twist, chew. We have a special rubberized material that you won't find in any other sunglasses. We started this company for babies and toddlers. The idea was they're going to take them off, they're going to put them in their mouth, right? So they should be safe. They should be practical, not made of hard, brittle acetate. It's going to break in 2 seconds. So we solved that problem. It's a rubberized silicone-based material, certified safe for babies, kids, grandma, grandpa, whoever. So we actually now have 5 sizes for the whole family. So we've really grown up from our roots. Baby, toddler, kids, adult small, adult large, so the whole family can match. What really sets us apart from our competition, beyond just being unbreakable and fantastic, is that we make our product in Italy. So BPA free, lead free, latex free, all those things were super important to us, and we want to make sure we could provide the best quality product we could at an affordable price. All of our lenses, top to bottom, are all polarized. All of our frames are prescription friendly, so if kiddo comes in the store and you notice they need prescription glasses, hey mom, dad, by the way, this pair of unbreakable sunglasses, you can actually take it to your optician or optometrist, put a prescription lens in it, and you got a pair of glasses you can do this to, have on the soccer field, not worry about kiddo breaking them in 2 seconds. Beyond that, all of our sunglasses are so darn light, they all float. Pretty cool little selling point if you're by a lake near the ocean. Just a happy accident, really. They are about the lightest sunglasses on the market that we can find, and that really helps too with little kids, keeping them on their face instead of fighting it and pulling them off. We have moms all the time tell us that they're the only sunglasses that their kids will keep on, and that has a lot to do with how light they are. In terms of retail, the most important thing obviously is the price. So all those things I mentioned really stand us apart in terms of the product, but we realize that we have to be price competitive. So we start our product at $10 wholesale, $20 retail. So for the polarized, made in Italy, can't break them, damage and lens replacement guarantee, and we're actually able to keep our price down because not only do we make the product in Italy, we assemble it ourselves in San Diego. We're actually filming in our lovely little warehouse where we do all of our product assembly here, which kind of counterintuitively saves us a lot of money. We pass that on to you and the consumer. So we also do retail displays. So with qualifying purchases, you can get one of our 3 different display levels. We have a very basic acrylic tray. That's a nice point of purchase style display. That's free at any size order. This is our frame box display. This was new last year. It's proven a huge hit. Holds 20 units left and right. It's got the sort of picture book inspired door here with some extra graphic information. And then at the higher level, we've got this spinner display. These have proven extremely popular. Comes out of the box fully assembled as is. It's got a sample display, a mirror. It's got pushers so that it always is looking full. For those of you that have retailed with us before, new for 2020, we have a variety of new colors, including a glitter line. We have our color changing ones. You take them out in the sun and they change color. Those are a huge hit. But we also debuted new packaging. It is entirely plastic free. It's made in the US. Got a really fun story to tell about the bending and flexing, really cute metallic shimmer to it. And every unit going forward now is going to have one of 3 styles of our really cute little polishing sleeves tucked right in there for you. Beyond that, we do a full, basically guaranteed sale. So if you bring us in, give us a shot at your store. If we're not a hit for you and you're just not selling them, just pay USPS to ship them back to us, and we'll give you a full refund. We just ask you bring us through a whole season to give us a shot. We also do an exchange program, so I don't make you buy case packs of 10 of one color or whatever. You can pick and choose what you want. And if you just find after a season that, hey, you know what, only black is selling for me, great. Send me back what you're not using. I can use it in my warehouse, and we'll exchange it for what sells for you. So we also have, if you're not familiar with our accessory kits, we'll throw in a few of them for new clients, new accounts for free. It just comes like this. It's a little $2 item, $2 retail, $1 wholesale, but we're gonna throw some in for free. What it is The strap and ear adjuster kit is what we call it. As I'm looking for my strap, here we go. So the obvious component is the food grade BPA-free silicone strap. The less obvious piece that our parents really love, we call it the ear lock. Tucks behind the ear if the glasses or if kiddo's in between sizes. You tuck that behind their ear, keeps it in place, or if you're out on the boat, if you're playing soccer, that's a huge hit. Also have the zip case with the diaper bag, purse, carabiner, clip. We're going to throw a few of those in with new orders as well. Free shipping on all US orders for new accounts. We like to make it as simple as possible to try our product, because I think once you bring it into your store, you're going to find that you've got a big hit on your hands. So again, remember, Roshambo's the Unbreakable Shades for the whole family. Bend them, twist them, chew them, and generally look awesome in them. Thanks so much. We look forward to working with you.